everyone. Hello everyone. In this tutorial I will teach you how you can create Java methods and how you can call methods with the help of objects. So a method is a block of code which only runs when it is called. Methods are used to perform certain actions and they are also known as functions. And you know about function is a building block of instructions. So the question is that why use methods? To reuse code, defining the code once and use it many times. This is the basic idea of using method. So let's start. Now I'm creating method here. A method must be declared within a class. It defined with the name of the method and followed by the parenthesis. You can see here the demo. For example, uh, I'm clicking here the new project and then Java application. This is my main application and I'm writing here Java method. Then click on the finish button. Then now you can see Java method class main method has been created. Now click on Java method like this and then click on new and then Java class. Now you can create class here like I'm creating here. The class name is HF and then finish. So this is the class and this is the main class. This is my creation of the class and this is built-in class. Now I'm writing some method in the class HF, like I'm writing here. For example, I'm writing here one method. For example, void. This is void method, void method 1, and then in method 1 I want to print system dot out dot print ln I want to print I am Hera. Now I'm creating again method 2. For example, uh, and this is the method 2. And I'm writing here I am Farman. So in the class HF I have created two methods, method 1 and method 2. Now I'm going to the main method class, Java method, and now creating here object, and with the help of object I will call the HF class. Now I am creating here object. The class name is HF, we already know, and then the object name is Hera. And then I'm writing here again HF. This is my object. So the object name is Hera. So with the help of object I can easily call the method of HF class. For example, I want to call the method 1. So I'm writing here Hera dot method 1. Let me check it's working or not. It's successfully run. I am Hera. Now again I want to call method 2. Let me check again. I am Hera Farman. So this is the short demo of how we can utilize method in the class. Actually, Java provides some predefined methods such as system.out.println, but you can also create your own method to perform certain actions. So this is my own method I have created in HF class. Thank you.